This lesson is part of our fifth grade life science unit, Matter and Energy in an Ecosystem. In this lesson, we will be learning about decomposers in soil. There will be a quiz after the slide presentation. There are two learning targets for this lesson. You will be able to give examples of decomposers found in different ecosystems, and you will be able to explain why decomposers are important to a healthy ecosystem. Decomposers are living things that feed on and break down dead plant and animal matter into simpler parts or substances. Worms are an example of a decomposer. Mushrooms are a type of fungi, another type of decomposer. Decomposers are usually very small and live on or in the ground. When something dies, decomposers take over. They eat the dead remains. It sounds gross, but if decomposers didn't do their job, the ground would be covered with garbage and dead things. There are different types of decomposers. Worms are a common decomposer. Mushrooms are a type of fungi, which are decomposers. Insects also are decomposers, as well as certain bacteria. Here are some interesting facts about decomposers. Mushrooms belong to a class of decomposers known as fungi. While many mushrooms are poisonous, there are a few that are safe to eat. Don't eat mushrooms unless you know it is safe. Decomposers cannot make their own food. All living organisms are recycled into nature by decomposers. Organisms use energy and recycle the nutrients in an ecosystem. Food chains and food webs are used to recycle nutrients into an ecosystem. Let's check what we have learned. Decide if each statement is true or false. Number 1. Decomposers can make their own food. That is false. Decomposers cannot make their own food. Number 2. Decomposers are harmful to an ecosystem. Number 2 is false. Decomposers are needed in an ecosystem to help return nutrients to the soil. Number 3. Bacteria, fungi, and worms are all examples of decomposers. Number 3 is true. Number 4. All living things get broken down by decomposers after they die. Number 4 is true. Number 5. Decomposers help to return nutrients to the ecosystem through the soil. Number 5 is true. If you want to review this information before taking the quiz, press the arrow to replay the slide presentation. If you are ready to take the quiz, press Next.